Good morning. My name is Robyn Burney. I am the instructional coach here at South Belton Middle School. I just want to take a second to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me and what it is I do here at South Belton, and then let you know some different ways that I can help you out throughout the school year. Along with being the campus instructional coach here at South Belton, I am also the testing coordinator and I sponsor the National Junior Honor Society. This is my 18th year in education and my 6th year teaching here in Belton. In my career, I've taught 3rd grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, and 7th grade, and pretty much every subject you can think of, from ELA to history, math, science, some multimedia in there as well. I'm originally from San Angelo, Texas, where I graduated from Angelo State University. There, I received my Bachelor of Arts and then my master's degree in instructional technology. Some ways that I can help you if you have questions about Schoology or Skyward, remote learning, or need any kind of tech help, you can contact me and I can help you with that, as well as any questions about testing, from STAR testing to just common assessment testing in the classroom. And anything you might see posted on the website or social media, I can help you with that as well. So what exactly does an instructional coach do? Here on campus, I do many things, including coaching teachers that might need help and gathering information and resources for them. I mentor our new teachers that have 1 to 2 years of experience here in Belton and provide professional learning for all staff members. I coordinate with the district's teaching and learning department, which includes all of our curriculum, and I'm the campus coordinator for digital learning. The job of testing coordinator includes anything that has to deal with STAR testing, common assessments, the PSAT test, and some other tests that we take here on campus. I coordinate our Tiger Time, which is our 7th period enrichment, and I post anything that you usually see on our website or social media, the digital signage around school, and any kind of other social media that we have posted. I want to share with you some helpful information and some important links and websites that can really help you throughout the school year. The first is our South Belton website. So our South Belton website is located at bisd.net/sbms. When you get here, you can find a lot of resources that can be helpful to you throughout the year. We will update any calendar right here so you can see what's going on throughout the school year, or any special announcements. If you are missing emails from Mr. Taylor throughout the school year, or if you just want to go back and see what they were, you can click here and it will take you to copies of his parent updates that he sends. And then down here on popular links, there's some really valuable resources as well, such as the AB block schedule, links to our library and to Schoology login, and more information about the district calendar. Another really helpful link is the Belton ISD Digital Toolkit. And then, of course, you can always find helpful information on Belton ISD's website, bisd.net. The Belton ISD Digital Toolkit is a great place for you to find some digital learning resources. We use a variety of tools here at South Belton along with our Chromebook. And so this site will help cover the things that we frequently use and give you some tutorials and how-to on how to access and use these tools. So when you come to the site, at the top, there is a button for secondary tools, and that's going to take you to what we are using here in school. So there'll be resources, links, videos, instructions on how to get those to work. If you scroll down a little bit, there's even a section here for parent tools, so how you can access Schoology and your kids' grades in Skyward. And then also there is a section for technology help. So if you do have a problem that can't be answered by any of the tutorials on the other pages, here's how you can get in contact with our BISD support. They are super helpful and they should be able to get you going. You can also find information on our social media. You can find us on Facebook at official site of South Belton Middle School, on Twitter at South Belton MS, and then our South Belton YouTube channel, which you are watching these videos on right now. This year, we will be taking the STAR test And 8th graders will be taking the PSAT test. The PSAT is paid for and provided by the school district, and all 8th graders will be taking that this year on January 26th. And then if you look at the rest of this calendar, you can see the dates that we're scheduled to take writing for 7th grade. Algebra 1, if your student is an Algebra 1 student, they will take the Algebra 1 EOC. 8th graders also take the Science and Social Studies STAR test. And then all students in grades 6th, 7th, and 8th will take the STAR Math and the STAR Reading test. There are no retakes scheduled this year. I hope that you will contact me either by email or phone, or just call the front office and they can send you my way. And I would love to help you throughout the school year.